Is it time to buy or sell TQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 18th of July, 2024, our system has ranked TQQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.86. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock suffered a loss of negative 12.98%. This translates to an average decline of negative 0.68% each day since it was labeled a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently navigating within a broad and horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this range. Analyzing the 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 1% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decline of 17.25% to an increase of 31.75%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points towards a change of around 78.4% over the next year, with potential returns varying between 51.04% and 148.84%. This translates to a price range of $96 to $158.17 after a year. Our latest daily update for TQQQ highlights that the TQQ ETF price increased by more than 7.27% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price rose by 7.27%, moving from $59.25 to $63.56. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward momentum continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 4.61%, with a low of $60.90 and a high of $63.71. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.23% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume declined by 695,000 shares, with a total of 53 million shares traded, equating to approximately $3.4 billion. It's important to note that decreasing volume amid rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $85.20, while the lowest price was $30.47. Currently, the price sits 25.4%, or $21.64, below the 52-week high, and 66.7%, or $127.32, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $190.88. TQQQ, the ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ ETF, continues to attract attention as the technology sector navigates volatility and uncertainty. Recently, reports have indicated that investors betting on a rebound in tech stocks have encountered significant losses, highlighting the inherent risks of leveraged investments like TQQQ. While TQQQ aims to amplify returns by 3 times the daily performance of the Nasdaq 100, this strategy brings with it both high volatility and potential decay over time. The conversation surrounding leveraged ETFs has shifted, focusing more on understanding their embedded costs and decay, primarily due to rebalancing effects. Despite regulatory concerns regarding the long-term holding of these securities, recent trends suggest a more lenient approach from the Securities and Exchange Commission. Short-term fluctuations can result in dramatic gains or losses, making timing crucial for investors. The ongoing popularity of TQQQ, driven by a tech-focused investment thesis, is directly related to its recent performance, which has experienced substantial growth. However, in a market currently characterized by caution, the long-term outlook could be significantly affected by broader market conditions and investor sentiment toward technology stocks. In the near term, traders must remain acutely aware of market oscillations. If the technology sector stabilizes and rebounds, TQQQ could witness a resurgence. Conversely, prolonged volatility or continuous sell-offs might lead to further erosion of value. Balancing these risks is essential for investors contemplating the short and long-term implications of TQQQ in their portfolios. The following signals have been identified for TQQ. There are mixed signals in the ETF today. The TQQ ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $70.36. Conversely, if it declines, support will emerge from the short-term average at $57.36. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and thus far, it has increased by 19.5%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This divergence between volume and price might serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 28 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQ. TQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $63.36. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.81 between its high and low points, representing a change of 4.61%. In the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 6.28%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $65.45. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, TQQ encounters its first support level at $63.36. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the TQQQ ETF a good investment option? The TQQQ ETF exhibits several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of August, we predict that TQQQ will open lower by 84 cents, starting the day at $62.72. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.